Assalamualaikum dear YouTube viewer, welcome back to the Engineer 360 YouTube channel by Tufail Ahmed. Dear viewer, in this Engineer 360 YouTube channel I am going to start a new playlist about the basic knowledge for civil engineer. In this tutorial video, the first video is about the unit weight of construction material. Please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for more civil engineering video. Dear viewer, there are different construction materials that are used in the construction field. In these construction material having different unit weight. As a civil engineer, we need to remember the unit weight of this construction material. Dear viewer, I show all these details through on this table here. The first one is serial number, the second one is material, and the third one is the unit weight in kilogram per meter cube. Here the first one is cement. Cement is a binder material in construction work and its unit weight is 1440 kilogram per meter cube. The second one is RCC. RCC reinforced cement concrete and its unit weight is 2500 kilogram per meter cube. The third one is PCC, plain cement concrete having no reinforcement or steel bar, and its unit weight is 2400 kilogram per meter cube. The fourth one is steel. Steel is an alloy made of iron with less than 1% of carbon, and its unit weight is 7850 kilogram per meter cube. The fifth one is sand. Sand is a granular material. Sand has various composition but is defined by its grain size. And there are two types of sand. One is dry sand and the other one is wet sand. Dry sand unit is 1600 kilogram per meter cube. Wet sand unit weight is 2000 kilogram per meter cube. The seventh one is asphalt. Asphalt is a black or brown like material. It is obtained from the distillation of petroleum and its unit weight is 2300 kilogram per meter cube. The eighth one is bitumen. Bitumen is a black mixture material composition of hydrocarbon and elements such as calcium, iron, sulfur and oxygen, and its unit weight is 1040 kilogram per meter cube. Ninth one is water. Water is the main substance on earth. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless, and its unit weight is 1000 kilogram per meter cube. The last one is glass. Glass is a hard substance and diffusion process is used for the glass manufacturing, and its unit weight is 2500 kilogram per meter cube. There are some short definition of this construction material. Dear viewer, thank you for watching Civil Engineer 360 by Tufail Ahmed. Dear viewer, please subscribe the channel and click on this bell icon for more civil engineering video.